So I want to send a message to one of my students' parents, and the family happens to be a Korean family. So I need to send the message in Korean because they speak very limited English. So I'm going to try using Google Translate, and right now I am working in a Google Chrome website, web browser. You can use any browser you'd like, but this is Google Chrome. So here I'm just going to type in Google Translate, and it's already popping up because I've looked for that before. And I'm going to click Google Translate. And over here, this is my detect language. So this is the language that I'm speaking in, which is obviously English. I can click this microphone button here so that I can record what I want to say, or I can just type what I want to say. There's also a little virtual keyboard that you can use to pop up there, or you can handwrite what you want to say. I'm just going to click in the box and use my keyboard to type in what I want to say. So I'm going to say, remember our parent-teacher conference tonight at 6 o'clock. See you then. So this is what I want to say to my parent. So you can see over here that in Korean, this is what it's going to say in Korean. Now, be cautious because Google Translate doesn't always translate exactly what you're wanting to say. However, one thing that I've decided to do is copy and paste whatever it comes up with so I can see what the literal translation of it is. So I'm just going to copy right here. I'm going to highlight what came up in Korean, and then I'm going to press Command C to copy, and you should see a little flash there because it copied. Then over here on my detect language, I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to change my detect language to Korean and my translate language to English. So here I'm going to click in the box, and then I'm going to press Command V. You should see a little flash, and you can see here this is what it initially came up with. So here is the literal translation of that will go to the parent. 6 o'clock, remember the parent-teacher conferences tonight. Meet then. So that's what's going to go to them. Now that's okay. It might not be exactly what I wanted to say, but I know that they'll be able to understand that we need to meet tonight at 6 o'clock. So that's one way that you can use Google Translate. Again, I would suggest that you test to make sure what the translation is going to look like for the family. So you can do that by copying and pasting whatever translated in the box over here, and then just reverse the order of the detect language and the translate. Again, that's Google Translate.